Socks and sandals. You know it. First time doing anything off-road, so definitely an adventure. Doesn't hurt to have a map. Right, so we will do a little exploring to find out the desired camping spot. Back off-roadity. Looks like we got some good spots around here already. Alright, this is why I have a KLR 650. Oh man, this is perfect. Beautiful. A campfire. Either way, I gotta stop, stretch my legs, and pee. So. I pick a place, getting camp set up will be a breeze. Alright, we got these aspens over here. 2 fire pits. I don't have any wood, but maybe I can find some. So let's go ahead and unpack and figure out where we're going to put the tent. Hello everyone, thanks for joining me. Welcome to Wilder Bliss. Today's an exciting adventure because this is my first ever Motocamp. So yeah, we just got to a nice little spot here and it is lovely and tranquil. Yeah, so let me show you what we got going on here. Got my tent all set up. I don't know if you can see, but there's my hammock over there. Got a couple of fire pits. There's a lot of dispersed camping over here, so it's pretty awesome. So, been a bit of a busy bee. I went and collected some firewood. I didn't really plan on having a fire, but yeah, hopefully we'll see if I can get one going here later this evening. But yeah, as for right now, I think I'm going to just chill for a few. It's a little later in the day than I would like. I just have a few hours sunlight left. But I'm gonna go ahead and eat a sandwich and relax, kick my boots off for a bit, and I might go for a short little ride, just explore around the area a little bit. But all right, I'll catch you guys. There's my water bottle. Had some lunch, had a sandwich, chilled in the hammock for a few, and now I think I'm gonna take a little ride and just explore the area, maybe see if I can pick up a little more firewood on the way. So let's hit it. Made it back to camp. Sun's definitely hiding behind some clouds here. You know, I've been just running around doing shit all day, so I think I'm just gonna relax, you know, hammock for a while, I'll wait till it gets pretty much dark, and then I'll try making a campfire. Socks and sandals. You know it.
Socks and sandals. You know it.
Yeah, so I took the liberty of getting down into my base layers and hoodie. I think I have like 3 or 4 layers on, because when you're at elevation, yeah, it can get cold a little quicker, especially. So anyway, yeah, I was just hanging out in my tent, listening to some music, and then yeah, it started getting kind of windy. But so I decided to move my bike over kind of behind my tent, because, well, as you can tell by these trees over here that are facing like east, there's a lot of wind that comes down off that mountain. Yeah, it's just a gorgeous, gorgeous aspen, ponderosa field, little open space. Yeah, I think this for sure might be a new go-to. I'm really hoping to try out hot tenting, and yeah, I don't know, maybe in the winter I might see about getting one and seeing what that's about. Just gonna kind of check out this little area back here. I mean, how good is this? Like, I have this whole place to myself, basically. Yeah, just walking down this little trail here. Look, you can see the color starting to manifest. I had an aspen leaf fall on me when I was hanging out in the hammock. Can you hear the wind? Don't know why I said it like that. This would be a nice little camping spot. There's just so many around here. This place is like a gold mine of good dispersed camping spots. Alright, so just had a nice little walk there. Just exploring this little road, but coming back to camp here. berries of some sort. Anybody knows what those are, leave a comment. I'm curious to know. Alright. I'm back to home sweet home for the night. Yeah, I'm on the fence about whether to do a small fire tonight with the wind. You know, I wasn't really planning to use the fire for cooking necessarily. I'm going to use my little canister backpacking stove. But what we will be making is a delicious pot roast stew that we made a few days ago. So yeah, just gonna heat that up and it'll be delicious. Okay, so here's what we got. This is that aforementioned beef stew. It's got let's see, pot roast, carrots, corn, potatoes. So I'm just gonna put that on a low heat and let it warm up. Keep that on a nice low heat and let it go for maybe 30 minutes. Meantime, I'm going to enjoy this beer, which is the Jenny Lake Lager, Snake River Brewing Company, Wyoming's oldest brewery. Oh, like that artwork. Okay, so the wind died down a bit. So I decided to just make a small little fire. And as for the stew, it's just starting to simmer. It smells delicious. Give that a stir here in a sec, and we'll go. Alright, here we got this delicious beef stew. It's probably way more than I need, but I am hungry. And this is a nice hearty meal. So yeah, that is nice and heated up. And I'm just gonna sit here and enjoy it. Well, good morning, everyone. Just woke up here. I actually slept pretty decently. Thankfully, the wind died down, so that wasn't really an issue, but just woke up here and it's a beautiful morning. And just getting camp packed up here. It looks like a bit of a mess, but there's method to the madness. The main trick is getting it loaded up on the bike. Yeah, I think I'm just gonna probably dink around camp here for a few and maybe go on a little hike up that way. And I'll probably go ahead and end the video, but thank you guys for watching. And if you like what you see, then go ahead and like and subscribe, and I'll catch you in the next video.